The Auto Invoice feature is a powerful addition to YoPrint that automatically tracks all order changes and updates the invoice in real time. Once enabled, any adjustments to line items and shipping costs will be automatically invoiced, ensuring accuracy and consistency. You can enable Auto Invoice before or after publishing a sales order. In this video, we will show you how it works with a published sales order. Whenever you are ready to collect a payment from your customer, you can go over to the Invoice panel and click on this icon. Select Auto Invoice. A dialog box will appear. Toggle to select Yes. You can now choose how you'd like YoPrint to manage your shipping cost from the drop-down. You can choose to add the shipping cost to the invoice as is. You can add a margin percent to the shipping cost. You can add a markup percent to the shipping cost. You can also choose to not add any shipping cost to the invoice. After choosing how YoPrint should handle the shipping cost for your auto invoice, you'll be directed to the Generated Invoice Edit dialog. This is what you will see. If you go back to the quote or sales order page, you will see that your invoice is auto-managed in the Invoice panel. If you need to open the Auto Invoice Edit dialog, go to the three-dot icon and click on Edit. When managing your invoices, YoPrint will automatically select the billing and shipping details based on the order selection or the customer's default settings. We'll apply the default tax set at the account level. You can update this anytime in your tax presets. You can also select a different tax or adjust it as needed. Once you have selected how the order will be taxed, you can add shipping fees if you prefer to manage the shipping fees yourself. You can also apply a value or percentage discount to the invoice. Let's add a $15 shipping fee and a 10% discount for this order as an example. You will see that the balance due will be updated in real time. In the Auto Invoice Edit dialog, you will not be able to update the quantity or remove any line items. However, you will be able to rearrange the line items as needed. You can also choose to make the line items taxable or non-taxable. So, how will the Auto Invoice update when line items change? To see how that works, let's play around with some of the numbers. For example, let's add and reduce the quantity of the line items. We will also change the product cost to see how it will immediately update the invoice. To edit anything from your order, you will need to go to the Jobs list and live edit the line items from there. Now, let's update the quantity for some items and adjust the product total for one of them. This is just a hypothetical example for demonstration purposes. Once you have applied the changes and go back to the sales order page, you will see that the invoice will be updated automatically, reflecting the new quantities and total in real time. Shipping fees and discounts will also adjust automatically based on your prior settings. If at any time you want to turn off the auto invoice, you can. Click on the three-dot icon and select Auto Invoice. You can then disable the auto invoice by toggling to No. This will leave the generated invoice as is, and it will no longer automatically update. If you turn Auto Invoice back on or enable Auto Invoice after generating manual invoices, all existing invoices will be deleted and a new one will be generated based on the latest order details. Since Auto Invoice allows only one invoice per order, additional invoices cannot be created manually. The invoice number will be regenerated. Shipping fees, if you choose to not let YoPrint auto manage it, and also any discounts you want to add, will need to be re-added as they won't carry over automatically. In short, you'll be starting fresh with a new invoice. We hope you will find the Auto Invoice feature a great help to your business.